Oh, I guess. You're Alyssa, on Facebook.
Yes. I am. Nice to meet you. Yo mama is so ugly. Sorry, I got a force of habit to do that.
Oh no, it's okay. I used to play Yo Mama when I was young. Wow, so much for a first date. You wanna play? Okay. Yo Mama is so ugly. Hello Kitty said goodbye.
Okay, I did not agree to your battle, but whatever. Yo mama is so fat, she was a map on Black Ops.
Wow, so much for a woman. Yo Mama is so fat, she needs cheat codes on Wii Fit.
Excuse me? I can beat you with my jokes. So yeah, you're right, what a date. Yo mama is so ugly, even Freddy get nightmares.
Okay, you win. I guess I am rusty now on my jokes.
You're rusty inside, and outside.
You are such a jerk. Let's just eat our dinner, and get it over with.